Hi everybody, this is Cindy at Lulu's Treasure Trove. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Look at the snow we got, and we're still getting snow. I don't know if you guys can see it still falling. I was trying to show you the ground right there so you can see how deep it is. Still hard to tell, but here's I think you can see it still falling. Still coming down. This is our creek in the backyard. Looks like is that Lulu's tracks out there, Esley? Is that Lulu's tracks in the snow out there? He's made the first tracks in the snow out there. Ain't that funny? It didn't take him long to get back inside, that's for sure. See how it's coming up on the trees over there, up on the base of the trees. Well, that tree's pretty. Isn't that pretty? Here, I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see it better. Here we go. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to try to zoom in on that. See that snow on the branches out there? How thick the snow is on the branches. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. That is so pretty. Comes up the tree. Look at that big branch with that snow on it. Isn't that pretty? Wow. So that's beautiful. Well, it's coming down, folks. See it? I just wanted you to enjoy it as much as we were enjoying it. Okay, I'm going to move you guys to the front porch. That was the back porch. Now we're on the front porch. And there's how deep that is on that air conditioner unit. And see how beautiful the front yard, or this is actually the side of the house. I think that tree right there looks gorgeous. Hope you guys are staying safe and warm. That's what we're working on doing. I have a lot of outdoorsmen folks, that like watching my channel, and so I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I know all the people in the Yarny community love outdoor snow too. Outdoor snow pictures and videos. So this is a video for everyone. So look how big this branch is. Isn't that beautiful? I'm trying to hold it in a few spots where you guys can see the snow flurries coming down. It's really hard to tell because the light's bright out here. Here's what the snow on the vehicles look like. We've really got the snow packed on there. And I have no intentions of cleaning that off right now either. There, I think you guys can see it coming down. I was focusing down there where you could see how deep it is. That's where we let the dog out. We've been letting the dogs out, and they went out to go to the bathroom, but they run on back in too about as quick as they got out. I hope you guys are all, like I said, staying safe and warm. Isn't that beautiful? I just love watching the snow coming down. This is the first snow that we're having here in Arkansas. Isn't this beautiful? It's gorgeous. Gorgeous and still coming down. Isn't that beautiful? It's gorgeous. I love the way this tree looks over there. Isn't that beautiful? It's pretty beautiful on that tree right there. Here's how thick it is on top of that thing right there. You can see how many inches. How thick it is on top of the heater thing out here. Still coming down. You guys stay safe and stay warm. Bye for now.